Yeah. Sithemba izoba right ke le. My video amount ayabheda sengiwashintshe like how many times? Okay. Siqala nayo kwi-weekly. Weekly charts, this is what we see. We see a high, a low. Market trend because vela ayikho ngathini from what we see, because siqala ngalokho esikubonayo, sibona ini, sibona a flag or not a flag, a wedge, lemon wedge, whatever you wanna call it. Yeah, rise now, lemon wedge. It's a bearish wedge, okay? So lemon wedge is bearish, orange wedge is bullish. Alright, masibuka le high le yokuqala, because thina sisebenzisa yonke into, we use everything, guys. Asisebenzisi into eyodwa kwi-market, you have to use everything. Everything works, basho njalo. Don't mix SMC ne-technical analysis. Yabo cishe kufane, yes, but izinto esiyicingayo azifani, so don't mix that. Lana sishaya technical, pure technical, price action, we react, siya-react kwi-market, asiyitsheli i-market ukuthi kumele yehle manje, kumele inyuke. So ngoba ningibona njengamanje kade ngibeka i-low, nansi i-high yethu ephezulu, nansi i-low. Le high yethu si-breakile from here. So let me do it like this. The high yethu si-breakile la bekuyi-high lana, face up breaker, and then we closed, and then side tester saqhubeka, which means sesidlulile la. Kahle kahle masidlula lana, okuningi ngikuchaza kwinto leyo khona le video yami first ye-backtesting. Backtesting iyafana ne-tutorial because ngiyakutshena a lot about the way I analyze. Manje ngiya-analyze njengamanje. So yazi nawe i-trade you need 2 points njengoba nalawa bekuwa lama point awu-2 lawa la phezulu. So now i-2 points esinawo lana shuthi sibreake i-trend, target yethu ilo yellow lo ngezansi engubekile. Should be simple and straightforward. Market mi breakile iya-testa like nge-supply and demand ngama-zone lawa ayellow. U-red ama-trend line, u-yellow is the zones. So i-market will retest ama-zone. Kade kwi-zone kade iyi-support izophinde kwi-resistance. Okwenzeka kwi-bigger time frame kwenzeka kwi-lower time frame. Everything works. Lana siyabona ukuthi market ifuna ukuzobreaka la. So with-daily charts, into esicingayo kahle kahle sicinga ini? Sicinga i-impulse and correction. Impulse and correction. So i-market if it's trending upwards, i-impulse is lama green candles lawa. Yabo la yonke le ndawo le, this was an impulse. Why? Because the market ibivele inyuka. Yabo, so i-impulse le no green abaningi abalandelanayo, i-correction labo green abahamba no red, labo ungekho sure ukuthi yaphi. O-green abaningi abalandelanayo, i-impulse, and then lana correction. So i-market njengamanje i-direction yayo akuseyona ephezulu. So that's why bona labo red laba nangu red iqala ukuqala, and then lana awukho sure because uDonald Trump kade bezomvotela nje ngalezi zinsuku lezi, kodwa iyaqala ishaya amakhandlela manje amakhulu, iyacacisa ukuthi okay sizoya somewhere. So i-impulse ke ngoba siyabona sivele i-impulse kumele i-impulse downwards. So into esiyindele la i-impulse ukuthi iqhubeke ishone phansi. If le market ibitrenda upwards bese ulindele ukuthi impulse ibe kuphi, ibe upwards vele kube amakhandlela a-green. So manje silindele amakhandlela abe bomvu alandelane bemaningi njengoba kade kwenzeka la e-top nala ezansi. Okwenzeka phezulu kumele kwenzeke nasezansi. Ngazi kwasho uNkulunkulu. Yeah. So ke ngoba ngishilisa kwi-daily ngama-impulse and corrections. I-impulse nje manje siyilindele. How do we get i-entry? I-entry, to get i-entry sizoya kwi-1 hour time frame, but la sicinga the trend ngoba i-daily impulse ibheke ezansi ngeke iqonde like straight kuma lower time frames, kuyoba nama-trends. So i-trend siyithola kahle ku-4 hours. So once ya break i-trend line wazi ukuthi sekumele iye la vele angithi i-direction is where i-downwards ibheke phansi direction. So i-trend line yethu mayinyuka imakethe thina sibeka i-trend line, meya break we have to enter for sure. Kumele sithole i-entry. Yabo nje la lento engikhuluma ngayo ukuthi imakethe iyakwazi ukuthi ifike la, like i-create some sort of head and shoulders if ayikho enye resistance. Yabo nje yonke le ndawo le lonke lo bomvu lo bingekho enye resistance and support, so ibuyele yeza la the previous one. Mawazi-ke ngoba isho sama-patterns and stuff, it was almost like a head and shoulder, i-shoulder yesibili. Market yenza njalo-ke lama zones or ama-levels iyawa-respect. I-level is a level because there was a lot of money lapho mfethu. So yeah, we 4 hours siqhubeka sifuna ama-trend lines, right? Ama-trend for i-entry. So now i-trend for i-entry. Le analysis-ke J.noah eyakho uqobo bafowethu. J.noah. This one was actually like this. And then Jason will tell you about the last case, which is ishingafana last case look here what right. So this is what you would see we analysis got J.noah if I were born. This is the lowdown. This is how it happens. Yeah, even though market say bingacacisanga ukuthi what's going on vele because Donald Trump and stuff, but there's always that indication. That's why we analyze, because there's always that indication. Notice ukuthi after a breaker it doesn't close above. I want to make an example here. This is what happened. Okay, so lana right. So lana uyayibona le low le. Nayibona nakusengithi low, it's a high. This high here, the markets befuna ukuzobreaka right la buka uline low straight horizontal, it was a level. Might ifuna ukuzobreaka and then it creates this green ifuna ukunyuka, and then there's a support, strong support from la that pushes the market to break. So the market mibuyela vele obviously kule zone le you expect it to sell strong, hard, like god damn it, I want to sell it with everything you got. So yenza njani ke? Qhubeka shona phansi, but time ibuya is around your zone, because ayikafika ngithi kwi-target yethu. We only put i-trend line once yaya kwi-target, as in yabona njengamanje sikwi-daily break, ungawunawo for lento engishoyo, sikwi-daily break. So i-daily ngoba ibreakile, i-daily breakile, and what it did was ilokhu iyehla nje, but it didn't go back to retest izone there, so ilokhu iqhubekile iyehla. So thina-ke, as we know, ngoba ngisho ukuthi once yanyuka, once market yadecide ukuthi ishintshe i-direction or something like that, ifuna ukunyuka, uyazi wena ukuthi imarket ibheke phansi, in actual reality ibheke phansi. So menyuka wena, you're just looking for the opportunity to sell. You're just looking for the opportunity to sell. Muzobuka ama-trend line ami, once we break, we don't go back to the targets, ngoba ngisho ukuthi we can leave ama-weeks. La kade ngozela khona example ukuthi la ifike lana ya-create ama-weeks, yalokhu i-closer within the week, yabo ilokhu i-slide, but then yenza njani, yadropha hard, yayi-retesta futhi le level before it dropped even harder, yabo yayi-retesta la, because that's where it was supposed to turn vele. This was a false breakout. So this analysis, or should I say this strategy, works. I won't say 100%, because we react to the market, we don't control it, but it works most definitely like 80% of the time. 80% of the time, if you analyze the way I analyze, 80% of the time you'll get it right. This is what made J.noah so rich, as I've stated. So thina-ke sesikwazile ukuthi siyimasterishe okusekusele, ukuthi nathi vele asifune kuduma-ke njengabo. We want to keep it low profile, but the millions, bro, the millions. I can't be hanging around now, but how many Ks I got, I don't know, but I can't even say it. I'll be proud. Ukuba nemali yangempela. So 1 hour ne. 1 hour, simple and straightforward. We look for a support, turn to resistance, which is our zone right here. Let us do it thing alapada. Now we lower time frame. That is where our entry is manje. Max ufuna ukungena lana, you would have to wait for a market ibuyele la kulo yellow, and then you enter. That is just simple kanjalo. You don't look for izinto eziningi, direction yayazi nansi. So when miyafika yellow low, that's where you start putting your trend line. Ngoba ngisho ukuthi you only put a trend line once you've reached the target. Okay, lama trend lines is because isuke isireachile i-target. Noma ngithi le, that's why idlulile, ibifuna ukuthi qala, and then that perfect kiss. Well, everything makes sense. Everything makes sense. Kuya ngawe ukuthi were you patient enough. Kodwa mina nalaphana, if bengizokwazi ukuholda, or not even hold, kodwa nje once ngayibona lokhu idlala around this, like above leya zone yami, once I see it lurking around here, it's full margin. It's full margin. Ukuthi la bekuzozalani, I don't know, but once I see it around these areas, it's full margin, because that's a sniper entry. That's the best entry you can have. Yeah. So just ubone nalana, the target was this one. So that's when we start putting trend line, because that's where ijike khona ekuqaleni, according to amakhandlela. Ama-weeks is just ma-false breakouts. Nalana ngoba sishilo ukuthi ayinayo into le la, ayinayo like what's ngibeke kanje, from the time it break la, bingenayo into le i-resistance or support or anything like that. So it only made sense me jika la ukuthi okay, vele kahle ifuna ukuzobreaka la. So wena wakho nje you look for indawo owazi ukuthi okay mefike lana I can place i-trend line and ngibheke i-entry kwi-smaller time frame, because i-entry ithola la kwi-smaller time frame, not ku-H4. So nje maybe wena la ku-yellow wethu we would enter